Yeah, man, so we met one lady, you see, and the lady has muscle spasm. If you don't know what muscle spasm is when the muscle stuck into one phase, meaning your body work like battery, negative and positive. Relax, your muscle relax and contract based on how it works to cause force. So me always have muscle spasm right here when I'm going through stress, meaning my muscle stuck in a contract mode and a very painful, brother. You see, through our neuropathical pathway, most of our nerve endings have different muscle tasks. So that's why doctor lie to you and tell you say you have clinch nerve. Most time when doctor tell you about you have clinch nerve, not no gosso. It's just one of your muscle malfunctioning, but it painful. It pain unbearable. Me know way feel like you make tears come to your eye even when you're the cry involuntarily. You're not the volunteer for cry. No, the lady did have the muscle spasm, and we gave her this, and it worked wonders for her. So watch you now. After the lady I use it, the lady husband have one finger we hook up. So in right hand at the gentleman, I think, yeah, they'd have some fingers like the three last fingers me show you. See it here? Like it hook up. So she say she just tried the spray pan the man finger. Guess what? The lady call me back, they tell me that in husband finger the work, you know, he can move in finger and you know hook up again. Protocol S. Yeah, man, I know we had Boron. So in Jamaica, you know, this year I feel $4,000 cheaper than cigarette smoking. And now we had this tweet, we have $1,000 because you want to research what this mineral do to your brain. So the two of them together is a package for $5,000, and that's all we are using to help the people with strokes all over the world. Normally, some people, it depends on the level of strokes you have. Some people, they have to go up to 3 bottles. Yeah, so some 1 bottle work, some 2 bottles, some when you reach 3 bottles, yeah man, the body start pick up back its senses because the sensory nerves go dead. That's why the connectivity between the neurons, the muscle and the brain is not operating because there is a neuropathical pathway that is being bridged. So you want your connectivity of your muscle to come back, see it here. Yeah man, any finger we hook up protocol is the product here. Give thanks to Napied, Empress True Virgin and Knowledge of the True Virgin. Get it now man, see the information below. Me don't talk to her. Yeah man, new book, Earth, Amazon on the website here in Jamaica. New mindset. Get the book, Earth, book 1.